When starting out with Hostinger, it's advisable to look for any available deals before making a purchase. At the time of recording this tutorial, there is an active promotional offer allowing you to host your website on the first plan for $2.99 per month, with an additional 2 months provided free of charge. Additionally, a free domain name is included for the first 12 months with certain domain extensions.
Another benefit is the ultimate migration option, which facilitates moving your website to Hostinger from another provider seamlessly. Upon reviewing the 3 different pricing options, it's clear that deals are available for each one. However, it's important to note that these deals are tied to the contract length, and one should always be aware of the renewal price.
One of the advantages of Hostinger's deals is their visibility. They are clearly displayed on the website at the point of signing up. If you're seeking further discounts, consider checking the details provided in this description.